Alright, excuse my mess guys, but I just picked up a Jackery 1000 Explorer V2. Now, if you're like me, you went ahead and plugged this in like you normally do to one of your solar panels, but it is not charging. So I couldn't really figure out why it wasn't charging, but I spent a little bit of time researching online. It looks like it might have been an issue, or not an issue, but an improvement on the Jackery plug. So what normally would work on a Jackery 500, now you will need an adapter for it to work. I know Jackery sells one online, but you can get a cheaper 2-pack off of Amazon. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to troubleshoot this first. So the first thing that you would notice normally is that if you have your solar panel, this one, for example, is hooked up to my car, so it's always constantly on, and you plug it into your Jackery like I have on my Jackery 500, you see that I have a charge of 18 watts that's currently happening right now. Now I'm taking the exact same plug and I'm plugging it into the Explorer 1000, and if you turn on the screen, you are not getting any charge whatsoever at all. So I turned on the Bluetooth, I tried to set it up, I just wasn't sure what was happening to it. First thing you want to do is check out all your terminals, all your connection, to make sure that everything is connected. If you got an external like this, plug it in to see if that works, and if it works, then there means that your solar panels are good and there's something wrong with the connection from your 8mm to your Jackery and so on and so forth. So this is going to be the plug that I bought, and again, this is a 2-pack off of Amazon. This basically converts the DC7909 to a DC8020. Now it actually comes in a 2-pack. I'm just gonna go ahead and pull one for you guys, and this is how the plug looks. So you guys can see the original is a lot smaller of a nipple inside versus the new one. And so what you would do, it comes with these that are really cool as well to help keep everything in place. As I just grab this, I'll loop it around the main line, attach this onto the adapter so it will always be here, like so. Plug it in like so, and then plug it in. And boom, there you go. I'm getting a charge now, 32 watts an hour. So it's definitely, the issue is definitely the adapter. But one thing you did notice, the sun didn't get a lot brighter. Actually, the Jackery got a lot more efficient. So the Jackery 1000 actually charges almost double the speed of a Jackery 500 Explorer. So something to note. But guys, if you guys have that issue, this is the fix for it. My name's Phil. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll catch you guys on the next video.